Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing the best in your lives and enjoying the best of your health. So guys, do watch my video till end because my today's video is extremely entire collection of attractive, beautiful DIY and unique idea based design ideas. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, as you know, all the world is getting classy. It's the era of modern world where we like to decorate, beautify everything. So mobiles are our everyday needs. Mobile is like an oxygen to us. Mobile is like the air in which we breathe. That I mean to say that we use massively, like 24 by 7. So a thing that we keep so closer to us should be very creative, unique and beautifully designed. So I hope that you have guessed it right. My today's collection contains a very beautiful, very creative, decent, elegant and beautiful, and at the same time easy to make design ideas of hand embroidery mobile cases, handmade needlework, hand sewn needlework, fabric embroidery, thread embroidery, wool embroidery based very beautiful and easy patterns. These floral patterns give an enormously rich and a beautiful royal look to your mobile. Different type of mobile cases absolutely favorable onto Galaxy Note mobiles, onto iPhones, onto many more creative different companies like Vivo, like Hawaii, and many more other companies as well. So do try these patterns. If you already have a leather mobile cover, then make these patterns onto your mobile covers to renew your old and used mobile covers. And if you are planning to buy a mobile cover and that is simple, or you have bought a new mobile cover that is simple, dull and dry, then absolutely you can go for these very beautiful embroidery patterns to make them more creative, classy, stylish and elegant. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and stay tuned for more upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep supporting us, keep watching our content, and leave massive comments below my videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, and once again, thank you so much for watching our content.